This is a 99 Mustang V6, and well, this is always a problem when you are about to remove the EGR tubes. This one that goes to the let me remove this one here. It goes to the exhaust manifold, and the same way on the other side, and everybody has this problem. So what I recommend to use is a PB blaster. You get one of these. I think it's $5 from AutoZone, and what you may need is a 24 inch like this. And also, you're going to need to put the car on ramps. At least you can access from the bottom underneath when you're turning that stupid nut. And what I recommend to do is just let it spray it with the PB blaster. Let it like that for a while. I don't know, like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Some people would do it even from like 24 hours before. So it doesn't matter for me. I just put that, spray it, and turn on the engine, let it warm up, and maybe that temperature make like extension of materials and contraction will let that fluid goes in. And you put this in here like that with, sorry about the angle, I'm just trying to give you the idea, and hit it with the mallet. Or the passenger side, all you have to do, remove the air intake, and you'll see the same thing on the side. It's right there. What you're going to do, spray some PB blaster and do the same thing. It's a pain in the ass, but if you had the car on ramps, you could access from the bottom. I do not recommend jacking up the car or putting it, just put it on ramps, the safest way, and do what you gotta do. Alright guys, when something like that doesn't work, you do whatever it takes, and you keep stripping that nut. I just use the heater gun, heat it till it turns red. When it's red, and just try to loosen it. When I loosen it, I just don't keep loosening it. I just loosen it and then tighten it, loosen it and tighten it. Just keep moving it this way, like right now, like that. And just start spraying and keep doing that. And the reason why I'm removing these EGR tubes, because I bought shorty headers, and